This is section 2.4, day 1, and we're doing point slope form. And the equations, again, will be given to you on the test. They just won't be labeled. So you'll have to know that this one is point slope form. Two things we need are the slope and a point. We actually have 2 points already, so we don't need to do anything for x little 1, y little 1. We just need to find the slope. All right, so to find the slope, we're going to use the y2. It's another equation, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so if we take these points, here's our y coordinates. So you can do them in whatever order you want, as long as you keep it consistent. So normally I see students do the -5 first, then the 3. So then the x's would go -2 minus -10. So you end up with -8 over -2 plus 10, which would be 6. Okay, so it'd be -4/3. All right, and then when you enter your equation, you can actually use either point for x little 1, y little 1. So if I use, say, this point right here, I would end up with y plus 5 equals the slope -4/3. I'm just plugging it into this formula right here. And then x minus -2, which would become a plus. All right, so that's your answer for A. If you want to try B, maybe pause the video and give that a shot quick, and then you could unpause and check your answers. All right, so for B, the slope, again, I'm going to do the y's on top, so 5 minus 0, and then the x's would be 5 minus 1. So you get 5 over 4, so that's our slope, and then take either one of the points. So again, maybe let's take this point. So it'd be y minus 5 equals the slope 5/4 times x minus 5. And that would be your equation in point slope form. Okay, and again, if you use the other point, you get something slightly different. But that's your answer using this particular point. All right, thanks for watching.